A warm good evening to all of you. Actually, we have panel debate and we are discussing on the topic of village life versus city life. Before starting this game, actually, I want to share my opinion that we can see easily in our society that some persons must be saying that village life is better than city life, and some person say that no, city life is better than village life. After discussing this debate, we will conclude that which one is better. So, before starting this game, actually, I remind you that you must follow some rules and regulation, and you should maintain the discipline. First of all, do not fight and do not abuse anyone. If I find anything wrong, then I will disqualify that team. There are, I think, there are two teams here, girls and boys here. So, without any further delay, we get started. But before starting, actually, I want to share my opinion that village peoples sometimes say that city peoples must have a lots of fun, and sometimes city peoples say that village peoples have lots of fun. But there is nothing. There is absolutely wrong. In my points of view, there is nothing. If you want to see the actuality, so you can see that everything is happening, is going to well, but what will be happens is good for anyone. So my friends, I will start now, and you must promote yourself nicely, and I wish all the best to all of you. So now we will start the game. First of all, Asni, you will start.
There are so many advantages of city life, just like a greater level of job opportunity, best access of healthcare, and better education system, and much more facilities are there. But in villages, there are no facilities, and there have no better education system and healthcare facilities.
No. But village life is has a relaxed pace compared to the fast paced than urban environment.
Life in a city is a full of competition. City life is more comfortable than village life. The education system are well developed in
But
cities.
nature of beauty can be experienced in villages only.
The city offers lots of difficult food from around the world. Traveling in the city is done by
But
trains of cars.
villages are less polluted than the city.
No, city life is a very easy and beautiful. There are every facility is
No,
available for us.
but village are the backbone of agriculture.
No, we can see every types of electric machine in the city.
Good, very good, fantastic, good. Yes, carry on.
But because of modern technology, city people are becoming lazy.
There are many types of resources in the city like that, bus, cars, motorcycles.
But in village,
etc.
they are respected all others, each other. But in cities, also they all respect each other. And in
They
cities,
respect each other, but they don't care about each other. In villages, they all
no,
each other, care each other.
care about each other. Everyone care about each other. But in villages, they are family, and in city, they are not a family. No. How can you say that the village city life have no big families?
Yes, absolutely right. How can you say that?
The family means it means about family that the societies of cities are not good. They don't help each other, but the family of society in villages are better than cities.
Yes, very good.
Challenge people love living in the city. Living in the city can be and
Village
polluted.
Yes,
Village is less crowded than city.
village is less crowded. Yes. Yes, something.
There are so many advantages of city life. Access to quality of education like that school, college, university, etc.
Yes.
No. Cities have heavy traffic commutes leading to
No.
leading
Advanced healthcare facilities, hospital with specialized doctors available for in the city.
Good. Very fantastic.
But villages generally have less pollution because of lower
In village
traffic.
there is lack of electricity and roads are very muddy. In village girls,
But in villages, the villagers use many renewable energies like solar energy, biomass, and small scale hydropower.
Yes.
village life is peaceful and close to nature, offering a break from the rush of the city life.
City life is faster than life in the village. Traveling in the city is done by business. People is very hard working and friendly.
Yes. Very hardworking and friendly.
How can you say that village life is better than city life? Like that, limited access to health care.
no
Village often lack
no
care,
village life is
equipment,
often less
hospitals and
hectic.
doctors.
Village life is often less hectic and allowing people to enjoy a more relaxed life as compared to city's life.
How can you say that in villages there are limited access of healthcare? Villages often lack of advanced medicine facilities and specialized education. Village life there is making healthcare access and different from emergency. No, there is a strong sense of community with neighbors helping and supporting each other.
Yes. Very fantastic.
The villages are surrounded by natural beauties like fresh air, clean water, and many. The city offers lots of difficult food from around the world. City life is the faster than life
And
in
all the
village.
dairy products come from the villages to the and supplied to the cities.
Yes.
But the machines that make the dairy products that had come from cities.
Yes. Very good. Good. Good point. Yes. Anyone?
मेरे पास नहीं है भाई उसके पास.
All the raw materials from the dairy products are come from the villages to the city and then manufactured in the cities.
In the village, there are lack of advanced facilities.
Yes.
Much of the food consumed in cities is originate by villages.
But in villages, they are originate made by the machines that are made in cities. But the large part of India is still living in villages. No, but the large part of India is still living in the cities.
How can you say that maximum people, 70% of people are living in villages only? 30% is developed. That's why 30% people are living in cities.
No, why are you living in city and then go to the village and stay there?
Yes. Yes.
Because my father is here. Also, all of our fathers are came from villages.
No, my father is came from city life.
Yes. Good.
The village are very clean and tidy.
The streets are always crowded and with people city. Villages are quieter and more open space.
Also raise animal like cows and goats. City life busy and full of activities. No, people mostly travel by bicycle or on foot.
There are so many disadvantages of village life.
And advantages of villages are also there.
Just like favor job opportunity, most village jobs are related to agriculture or manual labors with limited career diversity. Villages typically have a low cost of living than cities.
How can you say that village life is better than city life? There are so many disadvantages of city life.
This include affordable
school
housing.
development.
This include affordable housing, transportation,
economic
development,
development. Often reach villages as more slowly than urban areas.
No,
village are not just a home of farmer, but they are home of our nation. No, but in cities, in cities we are getting modern and we are
No, villages are the home of most of the animals.
so they are living there, but in
But
cities.
village also promote a stable and eco-friendly life. Sometime you may be think the only life is the better than village life. Village preserve our traditional dance, song, knowledge, craft and culture also.
Yes,
In the
good.
city there are less transports.
Yes, very good. Less transport. In the village there are less transport.
But in villages,
And
they
the
are
villages
poor.
grow more trees than the city people.
But in cities, there are good infrastructure. But and in villages, there are poor infrastructure, roads, electricity, internet, and
Villages
clean water
often
supply,
often have more opportunities to engage in outdoor activities like hiking, picnic, gardening, etc.
But in the cities, there are so many entertainment options.
Yes, in city there are so many entertainment options.
No, no, no. The cost of living in villages is often lower compared to cities with lower housing cost, food prices and transportation expenses.
In the city, in the village, there are few shops.
Yes, few shops. In the village there are few shops only.
But in villages we can find the birds that are extinct in the cities.
Yes.
There are so many advantage and disadvantage of a city life. You told that there are less shops in villages, but there are a lot of natural resources in villages than cities.
No, there are so many advantage of city life.
The combination of cleaner air, lower stress, and a more active lifestyle has a better physical and mental health.
Yes.
But in
yes,
cities,
good.
there are so
How
many.
can you say that?
I said with my mouth.
Yes, yes, very good. Yes, again.
Villages with their agriculture production and supply food to urban centers.
Yes, yes.
But public transportation like that bus, trains, metros and taxi make commuting in the people living are celebrate all the festival together.
Yes. All festival.
Diverse entertainment like that malls, cinemas, restaurant and sports event in the city. Cities often have fewer parks and natural areas compared to urban areas. Not all the houses had electricity and water supply in the village.
Village people conserve more animals than the city people.
How can you say that village life is better than city life? You say that there is electricity and water, but there is fresh water in villages, and electricity is also generated by windmills.
But in villages, there are muddy water and no infrastructure. Road are broken and electricity is cutted. Internet and clean water supply is unreceivable or unavailable in some villages.
There are a lot of pollution in cities by traffic, sound, noise pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, etc.
No.
The water is full of diseases like chloria, etc.
But in cities,
And people
but in
and
cities,
people of the cities are
have considered tradition and limited.
and people of the cities are more addicted to the phones than the village people.
How can you say that? The high population density of cities can increase the risk of infections, disease, outbreaks.
Life of city is more comfortable than villages.
The close proximity of people can also make it easier for disease to spread.
But in villages there are no options of job and get money. But in cities there are so many facilities of.
Why you want money for food? But in villages there are natural food they grow in their own food. They grow their own food and eat
they weave clothes from their own hands.
What about furnitures?
Furnitures they also make by wood.
What about they bring
All things they do it naturally.
And the things that you talk that they are in only cities, but they are only come from nature, and nature is surrounded by villages.
Services, easy access to markets, online services available for in the city. Fast internet and communication, like that better connection for work
but
and
in
social
cities there are more cases than villages.
But progressive lifestyle, more freedom in personal choice, fashion and modern living, like that in the city.
Fantastic. Good. Anyone else?
But the city peoples are more addicted to the phones and they have a weak eyesight than the village peoples. Because village people are do not addicted
But
to the phone.
cultural diversity explore to people from different backgrounds, language and traditional.
The people village live a peaceful and simple life. But sometimes the villages are getting bored and dull. Transportation modes are fewer. Better transportation.
And in villages there are also a vital animal husbandry. Like there are a lot of animals, they pet them. The main source of milk and curd, and dairy item, how do you get it? From villages. In villages there are cow, buffalo, goats. That are the main source of milk and dairy items.
Fewer job opportunities.
Can you tell what is the disadvantage of village life?
But in city life, there are more affordable living, easy access to culture, safer for child, less pressure to commit to think, more entertainment options, better communication system.
They are much more stronger than the city people.
Yes, very good.
Employment is seasonal, such as farming. Transport is limited. There are fewer small shops.
No. How can you say that?
No, but in villages, not all the house had electricity and water. But in cities,
Village people celebrate more happyful festival together.
no, but in cities, they also celebrate festivals.
Village life allows for a more simple lifestyle with less emphasis on material possession and more focus on essential needs.
No, but in cities, we also fulfill our essential needs.
No, cities have higher housing cost, food price and transportation expenses also.
We get the job opportunity in cities, advanced medical facilities,
also
school and
cities have
entertainment are
heavy
easy
traffic
available.
leading to these
Best infrastructure
long
are found in cities,
journeys of-
best transportation facilities, and disadvantages of
Villages can
villages
also
are
practice more sustainable practices such as growing their own food, reducing waste, and using renewable energy sources.
Sometimes villages are getting bored and dull. Transportation mode are lower. Employment of seasonal
Actual noise pollution, traffic and overcrowding can contribute to poor calming
unlimited. The few numbers of school and they have the small.
The lower cost of living it can also lead to reduced financial stress and more disposable incomes.
There are not good facilities in the village.
Yes, good. Very good.
No, city life not have a good environment. There is noise and air pollution which is very good, not good for
There are so many disadvantages of village life, like that poor educational system, quality school and higher
villages
education
have
institutions.
not poor education.
But inadequate information.
Village people are much more talented in sports than the city people.
No, you are wrong. City pupils is a very intelligent pupils, like that.
Yes, very fantastic. Good.
The lots of famous peoples in the world they are also come from villages. Most of them come from villages.
Another, the life in the city is more comfortable. City life.
Okay, guys. I think both teams played well, and definitely it will enhance your English speaking skills and confidence also. Thank you so much.